Giraffe disappears from the App Store or Play Store when it's removed for your region, your account type, or device compatibility filtering, so it's often not deleted globally, just hidden from what your store is allowed to show. By the end, you'll know why Giraffe is missing from your App Store, and the exact ways to find it or restore access safely. First thing to check is your region settings. App availability is controlled by country, and reward apps like Giraffe often appear in some regions but not others. Open your App Store or Google Play account settings, and confirm your country matches your actual location. If it's set incorrectly, even a small mismatch can hide the app completely. Next, check direct search instead of browsing. Sometimes the app is still available but removed from categories or recommendations. Search Giraffe. Exactly. Not just cash or giraffe. If it still doesn't appear, tap View Web Results, or open the App Store link from a trusted browser search to see if it redirects properly. If you still can't find it, device compatibility is another major reason. Some apps get filtered out if your Android version or device model is not supported anymore. Go to your device settings and check your Android or iOS version, then compare it with the app's minimum requirements if you can find an official listing page. If your system is too old, the store will hide the app automatically. Another cause is parental controls or account restrictions. Google Family Link, screen time settings, or restricted Apple IDs can block reward or ad-based apps without showing a clear error. Open your parental control settings and check if app downloads or age-rated content filters are enabled. If the app was recently removed from the store in your region, the only safe option is to wait for reinstatement or use the official website link if the developer provides one. Avoid third-party APK sites because modified versions of reward apps often lead to account bans or missing earnings. If you had it installed before, check your purchased or previously installed apps list. On both Android and iOS, deleted apps can still be re-downloaded from your account history, even if they don't appear in search. Quick summary. Check region settings first, then search directly, then verify device compatibility, and finally check parental restrictions. Most cases are solved in the first two steps because the app is usually hidden, not permanently removed. If this helped, like and subscribe for more fix guides like this.